Department of Anesthesiology of the Orthopedic University in Frankfurt, Germany, and I'm convinced that the ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia is much favorable compared to the nerve stimulation technique. With ultrasound-guided technique, you can see the nerves, you can see the spread of the local anesthetics, and we have data showing that the ultrasound guidance is much more better and preferable compared to the nerve stimulation technique. And the second part, as you can see here, Wisonic is a Chinese company producing excellent ultrasound machines, high-end machines, and with these machines you can perform the blocks excellent. Thank you very much.
Hello to China. We are 3 anesthesiologists from Germany. Our names are
Thomas Lotheisen,
Wolf Armbruster,
and Rüdiger Eichholz. We are very enthusiastic on ultrasound, and we have a lot of experience in giving ultrasound teaching courses, and we hope that this wonderful method also spreads out in China widely, because we can improve patient safety, we can speed up processes, and we can have much more fun in doing our patient care. And plus, Wisonic is giving great support in helping us with this. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Axel Sauter from the University Hospital in Oslo, in Norway. I had the pleasure to use this nice machine at the workshop in Düsseldorf yesterday. I was the first time that I had the chance to use it, and I was really surprised. It was a very nice image quality, very easy to use, and we had a lot of fun and had a nice ultrasound scanning with our colleagues in the working groups. Thank you.
Hello. My name is Jens Differt. I'm Chief Anesthesiologist in Germany, Little Hospital. And I work with the Wisonic ultrasound machine, and it's very fine. It's a very good picture, and it's very useful for ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia in my hospital. It's an orthopedic hospital with peripheral regional anesthesia, and its quality of the pictures is very good.
华生他们的这个超声产品呢，有个非常大的特点，就是这个屏幕非常大，同时呢质量非常好，成像质量非常过关。
我觉得华生这个机器我们比较喜欢，因为它视频很大，而且清晰度很好，还有个最大的就是云端服务。
我觉得华生这个北斗它的图像呢非常的清楚。
华生公司的蒲公英计划极大的在我们全国普及了这个可视化超声。
华生公司的蒲公英计划为麻醉超声可视化技术的普及和推广提供了非常大的助力。
蒲公英计划推动了超声可视化技术的普及。
专科专用新超声就是华生，所以华生点赞。
华生真棒！
为华生点赞！
华生加油！为华生公司点赞！
华生加油！华生真棒！
专科专用超声，我选择华生。